Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you OnePay how to fix payment. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to fix your payment issue, first what you need to do is simply head over and open up your app store, then on the search bar type in OnePay, and once you enter it and the search result loads, look for an app icon like this on your search list. Then simply tap on it, and now inside you check to see if the app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issues that you are facing, so just simply updating the app to the latest version will fix your issue. But for some reason, if that still doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is head over back to your home screen, then open settings. Now once you're inside your settings, scroll down and then tap on general. Now inside general, select iPhone storage. Now once you're inside your iPhone storage, what you need to do is scroll all the way down until you find the application OnePay and then simply tap on it. Now once you're inside the OnePay application, you'll be provided with two options, that is offload app and delete app. Simply tap on offload app, and now what this does, it fixes the app by clearing all the bugs and glitches that is present in the app, clearing the cache as well, which might be causing the issues that you are facing. And once the process is complete, all you gotta do is go back and then try again, and that will fix your issue. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.